In the world of scale RC modeling, a true masterpiece is born not just from a kit, but from the passion and dedication of a builder who seeks to push the boundaries of realism. This is the story of Scampo's Land Rover 90, a stunning custom built that masterfully blends a classic platform with extensive handmade details. This project is a testament to the art of craftsmanship, where every choice, from the materials to the custom figure, serves to bring a static model to life. The journey began with a killer body base, a solid foundation for any scale enthusiast. However, Scampo's vision went far beyond a standard build. To elevate the realism, he meticulously replaced the stock door handles and redesigned the windows, adding delicate semicircular profiles to enhance the scale look. The true heart of this model, however, is its fully camper-converted cell. This entire section was a labor of love, hand-built from lightweight yet durable 3mm and 5mm forex. This material choice not only allowed for complete creative freedom in design but also kept the overall weight down, a critical factor for performance on the trails. Underneath its handcrafted body, the Land Rover is powered by a robust RC4WD chassis. To perfectly match the new body, the chassis was skillfully extended to a 313mm wheelbase, a crucial modification made with the help of a friend, Whittled. This adjustment ensures that the vehicle's proportions are impeccable and its handling remains stable. The performance components are just as carefully selected. The rig is equipped with a powerful 25 kg servo for precise steering and a reliable Kickrun 80 ESC to manage its power. For traction, Scampo opted for high-quality Boomracing wheels and tires, while a Team Raffi snorkel adds another layer of authentic detail. No scale model is complete without a story, and Scampo ensured his Land Rover had a compelling one. The vehicle's driver is a modified NECA figure, custom-tailored with a mustache, a distinctive jacket, and a hat to perfectly match the rugged, adventurous spirit of the build. This small detail transforms the model from a simple vehicle into a living scene, ready to embark on its next expedition. Scampo's Land Rover is a perfect example of what can be achieved with a blend of technical skill, artistic vision, and unwavering patience. It's not just a model, it's a handcrafted tribute to the spirit of adventure and the enduring passion of the RC community.